Hi, I'm Nick Haas. I'm one of the co-founders here at MaintainX. At MaintainX, we help empower the frontline worker, all in service of eliminating unwanted asset downtime. We do that through a real-time mobile application that's intuitive and easy to use for your frontline technicians so that you get good quality data to help you make better decisions with real actionable insights and give you real-time visibility across your organization and bake in standard operating procedures to scale standardization across your organization. This has been the American Manufacturing Summit. It's been a great show. There's been a lot of fun getting to meet and network with manufacturing leaders, make sure that we're staying up to date on industry trends, make sure that we're in line with making sure that our solution can meet their growing needs and challenges that these leaders are facing, and make sure that we can continue to remain world-class, not only at a product level, but at a thought leadership level as well.